Codex can write and review code in minutes, but when it says a change is safe, what was actually verified? Green tests are useful. They are not proof that every important claim was verified. Reality Graph connects developer intent, the actual code changes, the checks that really ran, and the final evidence-backed decision. Reality Graph does not replace Codex. It starts the workspace and dashboard, then hands the terminal to the official Codex interface. Codex and GPT-5.6 make the change. Reality Graph verifies the result. As soon as the prompt is submitted, Reality Graph creates a persistent run before Codex finishes. The live dashboard shows the mission and current evidence state without pretending the final result is already known. Codex changes exactly the two approved files. Reality Graph captures the actual Git diff and runs the trusted project validation itself. Reality Graph confirms the two approved file changes and the recorded test passes. The requested files changed, the approved scope passed, and Reality Graph's validation passed. But semantic acceptance was not executed in this native observe session. Reality Graph therefore returns verified with limitations instead of claiming stronger evidence than it actually has. Git shows what changed. Tests show which checks passed. An AI review produces another claim. Reality Graph connects these into an inspectable decision and keeps the remaining uncertainty explicit. Now a separate controlled security test deliberately injects one harmless change into the protected authentication file. The tests still pass, but passing tests do not authorize a scope violation. Deterministic Reality Graph policy identifies the exact protected file and returns blocked. Reality Graph is local first and works beside the official coding agent. It never reads Codex credentials. Git evidence and deterministic Reality Graph policy remain authoritative. Roadmap, code graph, and persistent review history add context without replacing the agent. AI agents are becoming part of software delivery. Reality Graph makes their work inspectable, governable, and verifiable. Codex does the work. Reality Graph shows what the evidence actually proves.